Lock me. Nice.
Take priest.
Bearing priest. Sorry.
Kill another pet.
Alright.
I feel.
Yeah, so I'm gonna get in. Alright, nice. Building up shaman.
Spell chance. Calling after. Calling no.
I'm gonna silence. Never mind, I'm not. I'm coiled.
Dot pet one more time.
Can you shock that? Bearing shaman now. Try it again. Dotting up block. Trying to. Popping Shadow Fiend on lock.
I feel. No way. You should try to dispel anyway. You're a shaman.
Stunning shaman. Gonna get him in a fear. Trinketing, getting fear.
Yeah.
He trinketed. I'm mind spiking on this priest now.
Big shaman, sure. If you got an S, dispel an S. Dispel an S. Dispel an S.
Go priest. Mind controlling him, gonna jump him down. Yes, I got it.
Feel. Dispel.
Putting up shaman. Yes, I am.
Oh, you start.
I'm fearing.
Okay. Go.
Okay, nice.
Go, shaman. I use spell.
I'm silencing shaman. Silence him.
I spell for you. Here.
Okay.
No way.
Yeah. Can you shock that? No. Yeah, don't worry. I'm coiled.
Don't worry about that.
I'm dispersing now. Fearing shaman now. Gonna go and lock, sorry. Good. These fair. Yeah.
Gotta take MC.
Nice.
Fearing.
Stunning shaman now. Ah, fuck, he took it with grounding, sorry.
Spell for
Gonna pop trinket, I got wings and silence ready.
you. Magic pet, go warlock.
Going really hard. No, I'm going really hard on shaman.
Okay.
No, don't hex shaman when I'm going really hard on him.
I feel.
Yeah. All of us are. I'm not dotted up.
You got wings.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to dispel them.
I spell my spell. I will hex.
I can't get the wings. There we go. Wings are up. He's mind spiking on you. I'm gonna... He's mind control, jumping him down. He's down.
Magic pet.
We're leading in mana. Dotting up shaman.
Spell for you.
Dotting up lock.
Magic pet.
Popping Shadow Fiend on lock.
Full buy.
Nice. Going hard on this. He dead. I don't know what it was doing. Stunning out of corp.